What's going on, y'all? Moises Faz with Faz Power Washing LLC out of beautiful Corpus Christi, Texas, but we're actually out here in Florence, Texas. Yes, sir. Florence, Texas is about, I want to say an hour or so out of Austin, Texas. And this is the second concrete company that we're doing for today. We got 2 of them so far right now. Got the rig stationed out right here, lights everywhere, little spotlight right here. It gets dark. There's 3 of us out here actually. Got Adam over here, Will's doing this truck, taking turns doing trucks. Currently just weren't running the Kohler out of the flatbed. We are working on getting a second machine on there actually, because it will definitely speed up the productivity in getting these concrete trucks, washed up. So we're averaging about, I want to say 40 minutes to an hour per truck. It just really depends on how dirty the truck is, but about 50 minutes or so that we're averaging, But yeah. Shoot, it's freaking beautiful out here. The weather's nice scenery and everything, and we're getting it done. Let me take y'all in and show y'all a little bit of the process. So like I said, the Kohler's right here, got the high pressure hose. Will right now is doing the scrubbing, just quick agitation. It helps a lot. Bam. So here's the chemical right here. We got our concrete remover with our soap. So all the chem hoses, we're lining out here, keeping it separated from the pressure hose. That way we're not intertwining and whatnot, having some free range to go ahead and move around. And this chemical, we're actually pulling it out of a foam application box that's powered by a compressor, air compressor. And it's coming out pretty good actually. We're almost finishing up with this truck, and then on to the next one. Coming up pretty nice. Definitely get you some lights if you're gonna be doing night work. You definitely need some lights. There's the rest of them. Yeah. Definitely getting that other unit, and just keep dialing it down on our procedures, trying to make sure everything's as efficient as we can be and still offering the same quality. So trial and error, but we're getting it done. Wouldn't have it any other way. But all right, y'all, I'll leave y'all to it. Go ahead, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate everybody that already has, and everybody that keeps watching these videos that we put out. Go ahead, share. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them on the comment section. I'll answer them as best as I can, really. And really, if you just want to say what's up, go ahead and say what's up. Alrighty, I'll leave y'all to it. Peace.